So today I'm laying up a platform for my HTP water heater. I need to get this thing up off the ground because it has a tendency to flood in this basement. And there's a sump pump and stuff. So I want to get everything up off the ground. I lay a few blocks here, build a wooden platform to set my water heater, my water pump, and my radiant heat system, which is the HTP propane fired water heater that's going to run the radiant heat. So I'm just going to lay a few blocks here. What I'm doing here is getting ready to strike off the blocks. I make a tool called a striker, and it just smooths out the joints of the blocks. So I'm going along here and smoothing them out, cleaning things up. Makes your joints stronger as well. So now I'm getting ready to build my platform. I got some treated lumber here, some 2x4s. I'm going to put 6 2x4s underneath this thing. 2 on the edges, 2 8-footers on the edges, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the outside edge as well, just to support the water heaters. I'm going to have 2 water heaters up on here and a water pump, so I need quite a bit of support. I'm going to use 3/4 inch plywood for the top of it. So today we're over at the old house here and we're hooking up this HTP crossover water heater. We're using this for a radiant heat application. So here's what we got going on. I built a platform here to put my domestic water heater, which is electric. I got my HTP hybrid right there as that's going to be my heat. There's the well pump. I wanted to get everything up off the floor, just because this basement has a tendency to flood. I got my radiant heat board here. I bought that from Floor Heat. I priced out all the materials. I usually build them myself, but it wasn't bad to buy this unit all done and just screw it to the wall, because it's getting real cold here and we don't have any heat in this house, so I want to get things going. So right now we're trying to vent this heater. I'm coming out of the heater with a 3-inch PVC. You can adapt it down in the vertical right there. You can adapt it as soon as you get over this clamp right here. There's a clamp. It's got to go on there. They don't want you switching from 3 to 2-inch in the horizontal. You have to do it in the vertical. So I went up from there. I haven't glued anything up to there. We're going to come up to the ceiling and over. And I just drilled a hole right here, and we're gonna, inside that rim joist, we're gonna come up, and I'll take you upstairs, show you what we're doing up here. This is a split level house, and the best way to heat these split levels is with radiant heat. the forced air doesn't go where you want it to go usually. So I cut a hole in the wall here. I cut the insulation out. This house is studded on 2-foot centers. I just cut like a 16-inch piece out of there. I didn't go back to the other stud. Drilled a hole down through to the bottom that I showed you. Drilled a hole right out through the siding. And I'm going to put this piece of foam board in there. Already drilled it. But this pipe, I want to keep it as warm as I can. This house has some foam on the outside too. So I'm going to put that foam in there, put my vent pipe up through there and out, and then pack that insulation, that fiberglass back in there, and put the piece of drywall back on there. So I didn't want to come out at the rim joist because I'd be down near the snow level. If you look outside there, this house is kind of low. So if I come down near the rim joist, that would be way too low. You don't want these heaters venting below where your expected snow level is going to be. So I had to dig into my wall here to get up. I figured, you know, I'm up outside, I'm up past my knees, so should be good. And I'll angle it up a little bit. I'm going to put this together and I'll try to get some more video footage of the finished product so you guys can see how to do this. Give you some more explanation. Thanks.